And this has a little 1/4 inch water, and there's a sponge here. So you can literally just wash yourself off, only using about 1 gallon of water.
Wow.
And then you do a final rinse with that shower head.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to meet Tony. Hi Tony.
Hi Bob.
And Tony's in a very nice Dodge Ram, as you can see here. And are you full-time on the road or part-time?
I'm a part-time.
Part-time?
Transitioning, yes.
And so you are still working?
Yes, I am.
And but you're semi-retired. Would that be fair?
Yeah, that's a good question. I'm retired. I tried to retire and found out I didn't do it very well.
Some people just don't do it well.
I don't do nothing very well. So I have a part-time job now. It keeps me active, keeps me busy, keeps the brain working and the body moving, and that's what counts. Yeah, and I take the van out whenever I have any free time and just go adventure, go look at things I haven't seen before. Yeah, I was in the military for a long time, saw the world, but didn't get to see the United States.
Right.
Yeah, I've traveled for work, but it's always just work, so you don't have time to really enjoy anything. So now it's, the golden years, as I guess they call them. So I want to take advantage of it.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. And what do you do for work?
I'm in the construction field.
Construction.
Yeah, mostly electrical and plumbing.
So that really sets you up well.
Yes.
You must be able to do everything, I would assume.
Oh yeah, this is a complete self-build. You set up sawhorses in your driveway and go at it.
That's it.
Yeah, I can't brag about the work being perfect because it is just me. I don't have the massive shop. So please don't look too carefully at everything. But I'm proud of the work I did, though.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And so this is the second build on
Yes,
this
it has.
particular van?
This is a 2017 ProMaster. I built it out in 17. And during work, being away from work for work, it went into storage. And when it was in storage, it was vandalized. So then I had to literally start all over again. So the first build was, like I say, it was to work out the bugs, I guess.
Well, why don't we take a look at your van?
Please, yeah.
Let's do that, folks. Well, boy, it looks like some really nice workmanship in there.
Part of the construction is I had the advantage of having the knowledge to do it.
Beautiful, and a lot of organization and storage.
Yes, I'm surprised how much I could actually fit into this thing.
Right, yeah. A lot of people are.
Yeah. I have a desk here, and underneath this is where I have all the electronics. And if you just take these 4 big screws out, this lifts up, and then I have access to all my electrical gear. I set my computer up here. This folds up when I turn this into a double bed. Clothes are up here, all my clothes. I was surprised how much you can fit into such a little area. As I'm living in it, I find out of all the little things I thought were good ideas that weren't. Like my little shoe bags.
Yeah.
Turns out they're in the way of this folding down. So this is I have these little couches here, sits here.
Oh yeah. So
that's my single bed, and I have cushions like this that come down and fit on it. And then these 2 fit in here.
Right.
And then when I want a double bed configuration, I do this. And all the pads from here fit on there, and then I have an extra one up front.
That is great.
So
heavy duty hinges there.
Yeah, so these all fit in. So when I need a double bed, when I really want to sprawl out.
So just put in hinges on that end and a catch on this end, and that is it.
Yeah, it's a cheap man's Murphy bed.
Yeah.
It's usually just a single. I sleep here. I usually have all my gear here, so this acts as a nightstand. Mm-hmm. And I can sit here, do my computer work.
Right.
I have drawers down here.
Great organization.
So these here. So everything, like you say, everything doubles as nothing is singular loose. I have an electric water heater here. Mm-hmm. Extra storage back here. I have block storage in here.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That was one of the better beds I've seen, by far.
Well, it's simple, but it allows me the option of a single, and I still get the use of the desk. And then when I want to sprawl or when friends come, you have a double.
Right.
It's all my electronics. I have everything is Renogy, so I have the Renogy control panel and everything else. And this is a timer for the water heater, so if I forget to turn it off, it shuts itself off on its own.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, so otherwise I drain my batteries considerably.
And then here's your kitchen.
Yes, I actually like it. This is my cooler here. You lift this up. That's the lock. And it comes out
Oh, nice.
like this.
That is a nice slide.
Yeah, you buy these big shelf hinges. And that's what helps support the face.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it goes in, and then you just got to make sure you lock it.
Wow. That is excellent. Again, a really brilliant design.
And then I have my propane tank underneath here. It's all strapped and locked in, and my trash. And if you can see back there, there's a water filtration system. That's exactly the same ones they use for FEMA. I have 2 carbon filters and a UV light system, so I can pull water from just about anywhere I want.
Oh, yeah, you can get it out of a lake or a creek and not give it a thought.
Yeah.
Here's your stove and your sink.
Yes, the sink. I put a little cup holder here for my vinegar spray.
Nice.
So now it's just out there, and I don't have to worry about storing it somewhere, since it's such an awkward piece of utility.
It is. That's a great idea, too.
Yeah. And then, of course, like everyone says, you can't have enough of these hangers.
Right.
They just come in so handy for just putting everything up.
And then just more storage.
Just
Here?
the ProMaster has a storage above.
Right.
So I put all the other oddball stuff up there. And then this also closes, and there's a padlock on the outside.
Yeah.
And this is all chalkboard paint, so I can fill around.
Play with your chalkboard.
Yeah, I can play with my... And then slides over, and I come in and out.
Right. Yeah, you get to privacy, you get some insulation.
Yeah, this is a custom made. It's 1/8" plywood that I actually put patio door rollers on the bottom. So you actually have to watch sometimes, because you're turning the door open and close on its own. So I have to figure out a stopper for that.
Yeah. Really, really nice setup.
Yeah, and this is, I did the black epoxy for this, and then I have these glass on here so I don't melt my epoxy with the hot pots. And then, of course, where you go to the bathroom is, I have this. You lift this up, put this catch there. This is a Boxio, which I noticed you didn't really like on that last review.
It seemed flimsy. Was I wrong?
I like it. For me, it's fine. I'm not a big guy, so I sit fine on it. And I use, instead of the plastic bags that they give, I use these Go Anywhere bags. Okay, these are the ones made for portable toilets.
Right.
So you get the bag you poop in. You can pee in it also if you want. You can do 1 and 2 in these. It has the poop powder in it, so it helps solidify even the urine and everything. And it gives you a Ziploc bag to put the initial bag in. You tie into a knot, put it into a Ziploc bag. And then it also gives you the toilet paper and a little handy wiper in it too.
There.
So it's all in there.
Yeah.
It's a little pricey. They're about $3 a thing, but you know, you buy enough of them and it keeps you happy for a while. And then you just tie them up, and I even add more. You put it in a little trash bag too.
Yes.
Just add a little more extra security.
Multiple layers.
And then this is a shower also. So
Oh, wow.
I also slide this into the corner so I can use it for sitting down.
Oh.
And I have a shower head here for just spraying off. And then I took this from the Geyser company. And this has a little 1/4" water. And there's a sponge here. So you can literally just wash yourself off, only using about a gallon of water.
Wow.
And then you do a final rinse with that shower head.
Wow.
So I have ingenuity from my plumbing experience. I have a double angle stop here. One runs this one, and then one runs this one. And I have a hot and cold that come from the electrical. And this is a shower curtain that fits around here. So it drops down in here, goes around. And I found these. These are, what do you call it, clothes hangers from a laundry room? And they articulate. So they go like this, and it forms my shower enclosure like that.
My goodness.
And then I get in there and sit on my box and clean myself up. So this serves a multiple of functions, this little, and then you put a little cushion on it so you have someplace to sit.
Nice. That's brilliant.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy with the way I set it up.
Yeah, I can see that. It's really good.
And, you know, Not perfect craftsmanship, but I like it. It turned out very nice.
It looks great.
So my only garage really is this.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So I have my tire levelers here and some spare grill in there and all the parts for my canopy. I'm thinking of cutting in little things in here to put like electrical cords. Mm-hmm. And then this is me. This is also me being a little overdone with my electrical work. That's my control panel.
Wowsy. Yeah, that's quite the. That's quite a control panel. It's beautiful. Just extremely quality work. And how much solar do you have?
I have 400 watts on the top.
Very, very good. Great setup. Wonderful.
Yeah. And then I put this on too. The awning. The awning is what they call an Overland bat wing, where the arms that come out articulate from both ends. So you swing the front end out, it goes about 6 feet that way, and about 6 feet this way also, and creates a half circle awning, which gives you a lot of coverage.
Nice. Yeah, it's incredible. Mm-hmm. And you get a rainy day or a really hot day.
Yeah, it'll help shade this side nicely.
You get out and enjoy while you're out here. Mm-hmm. Well, Tony, I really appreciate your showing us all your work. It's just beautiful and amazing. I really appreciate it. Great ideas here for other people.
I just thank you. I'm glad to meet you. I really am. You're an inspiration to a lot of people. You help to make a lot of people adapt and transition into this type of lifestyle.
Yeah.
And I enjoy it. It really helps.
Good.
Yeah.
So folks, if you got anything out of this video, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll talk to you later. Bye now.